What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. This time we're going to be looking at the Baseus simple 2-in-1 wireless charger. This works with your phones as well as your AirPods. So let's check it out. First off, before we get started, let's take a look at the specs, because specs are one of the biggest things that you're going to be looking for in these chargers. So you get a 15-watt max output. You get instant release or instant charge. You get safety guarantees, and it is USB Type-C. So let's get this thing open. Let's check this out. That to the side. So this is actually what you get in the box. This is the charger. So there is a plastic there we go. Get that off. And let's peel this off. Now, very unique design. Now, I have never seen a charger that looks quite like this before. Right here is going to be your USB Type-C cable, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna actually get this thing plugged up. I'm hoping, since it's clear and see-through and glass looking, that we get some type of light through here. No lights. Oh, LED light right there on the front. So we do get an LED light. I was hoping for something under here though, but that's it. It kind of looks like they might have left some stuff off the charger. I don't know. Okay, so first off, since we got this connected, we got a few devices that I want to actually check out. You got an AirPod holder right here. You got a wireless base right here. AirPod, that is Gen 2. You get your LED light, everything works, pops up. Over here, will it still charge? There we go, still charging, so that works. AirPods Gen 2, AirPods Pro, still charges. Even though this little socket doesn't fit this directly, still charges. And over here, still charges. Perfect. Now, with our iPhones, we can't really tell whether we're getting a fast charge or not, because it doesn't tell you on the screen. But with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 right here, it will tell you, and it should say fast charging. Well, it's 100%. That's why. There we go. Charging wirelessly. So it is at 100%. So I'm not going to be able to just show you that it says fast charge. But this actual device right here supports 15 watts. So that is a fast charge. It will charge up faster than normal. So you don't have to worry about that. Everything's going to be good. The only issue is it looks like something was left off. And I'm sure that is part of the marketing. Looking at the box, that's how it looks on the outside of the box. Just a very unconventional look to this, but it actually works really well. So USB Type-C, you get an LED up front. You got 2 charging mats. They actually charge AirPods 2, AirPods Pro, cell phones, and I'm gonna even throw in the Galaxy Buds. It's gonna charge them as well. So everything is good to go with this wireless charger. So once again, this is the Baseus Simple. This is the 2-in-1 charger that they offer. I'm gonna be sure and drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.